YouTube, welcome to another video. Tonight we're doing a POV at night. I think it's currently 2 a.m. and get you guys a little walk around. I was gonna go to the parking garage, but they had it closed for the night right over there. But yeah, man, we're gonna give you guys a good little night POV with the big Brembies. Yeah, we'll go from there. Whoa, my car is just losing traction, it felt like. Even gaining traction, what the heck? It is pretty cold out. My tires ain't the warmest, so it kind of makes sense. Like, I wish I had one of them buttons that you can click and make the light turn green. Oh, bro. Come on, bro. Like, I'm the only one out here. What's taking so long?
One eternity later.
Bro, there's no way. Bro, there's just no way.
Going to jail.
And we definitely going to jail in this video. Do a nice little pull, you know, nothing crazy. Good smell of oil. I be doing too many pulls in this car. Like, my oil life be dropping like crazy. It's insane how my oil life be dropping. Like, I am a first time V8 owner, so I don't know if it's supposed to drop like how it drops, but that thing tanks. That oil life be like bloop bloop bloop. Every ride I feel like it drops like 10%. I don't know. Weird. We just cruising tonight. Like I said, this ain't no crazy POV. No, this is just a nice little cruise. I love having the street to myself though. Like, I ain't gotta worry about people in the way, cars. Only thing I gotta worry about is damn coyotes and deers, bro. Like, them the only things that scare me, especially at night. The feds, yeah, they scare me a little bit, but the coyotes, bro, like, the deers is insane over here. And I'm definitely not trying to run into one. And I'm just quiet with it, you know. Whoa, we lost traction right there. Yes, sir, we did. Too much torque. There we go. We got it. I swear, every video. Get off the highway. Downshifts, man. charge me. They finna charge me.
Broke nigga alert.
Right at a light. Oh, there we go. All that gravel. Oh my gosh. On them brakes. Well, that concludes the POV. I wish we would have went crazier, but I wasn't gaining no traction on my tires. And again, I don't want to risk it too much. You feel me? So we did what we did with the time we had, and this weather is getting real cold out, so it ain't gonna be too much more sliding. This is gonna have to be the other whip, and I'm gonna go crazy in that one. But hope y'all enjoyed the POV, man. Again, let me know what y'all want to see next. Don't forget to comment. Please comment, tell me what y'all want to see, man. I need to know. I gotta know, so I can bring it straight to y'all. You feel me? Any suggestions, man, I'll take whatever. But for the most part, that'll conclude this video. Got a 5.0 pony. Fast flow, you already know what we do. Comment, share, like, show all your cousins, grandmamas, everybody. Tell them illegal fast flow is out here terrorizing the streets. I'm gone, man.